Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so over at Walgreens, since Sunday, there's been everyday problems with register rewards not printing, digital coupons not working. If you're using a booster with, you're not seeing your Walgreens cash, or you're getting the wait 3 to 5 days to see what you might get. So I called last night and then I called today and I spoke to a really nice guy today, and he basically said, yep, there's a problem across the board with a lot of issues, and we're working with customers. If you need to call this phone number, the chat that we usually use, because I do not like being on the phone. It's just not working. So you have to call in. You need your RFN number, which is at the bottom of your receipt, and a customer service rep can help you with missed coupons. So if the coupon doesn't come off, register reward issues, or booster problems where you're not getting the points, and they will help you. And they are very, very nice. Be patient with them. Be kind. A little courtesy goes like a little bit of that goes a mile, because they're very stressed out. They've been dealing with this since probably Sunday. Calls from many angry shoppers. But with gas at $5 a gallon, we're not in a place right now to just be, philanthropic when $3 digital coupons do not come off. Make the call, guys, but also be super, super kind. Kill them with kindness, and this will probably benefit you. Again, I spoke to a really nice guy today. A very quick conversation. I explained 2 receipts, coupons, and boosters, and he made it right. Okay, so Walgreens, I was in store yesterday, and I'm going to show you a couple deals. The first one is with this ARC pen. If you want to do this deal, you have to do it by, I think, tomorrow, which is Thursday the 30th. We're going to incorporate this, which is a 20% off of a $10 item or more. And because this product is $19.99, that is not a store promotion this week. Yes, it's going to work with that for some savings. Plus, we're going to use this $12 coupon. If you used your $15 one, here's the math. Grabbing one of those for $19.99, the 20% off coupon will subtract $4. That 12 digital will come off. You're paying $3.99. Getting back $5 register reward for spending $15 on P&G products. That promotion ends on Thursday the 30th, so definitely move on that one swiftly. But hey, it's a free little item. And just to show you, this is what printed out of the machine. It has a very quick expiry date of the 30th, so you're definitely going to have to spend that ASAP. Look through all of your register rewards. You do not want to end up with a mess where a bunch of them expire. The next deal in store is with the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. They are on a promotion of buy one, get one free at $4.49. So you need to grab 2 of them to make this deal work. Pour vous. So grabbing 2, I grabbed what they had left at the store, which was 1 Fruit Loop and 1 Apple Jack Jumbo Snacks. Definitely a really good donation item, that is for sure. IBOTTA has $2 rebates. Sorry guys, the exact ones I must have deleted off my phone, but it's a $2 off. These other flavors are also included, so there's a whole host of them by the Jumbo Snacks for Kellogg's. Grabbing 2 of them for $4.49, then you're going to use a register reward or use Walgreens cash, and then you're going to make a submission for $4 from IBOTTA. You'll get $2 for each, making it 49 cents for the 2. If you want to use register rewards or Walgreens cash, go for it. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Garnier Fructis, and this is where the snags began for me. A lot of you love to read the tags. Here it is. $4 register reward when you buy 2. That printed. Okay, so we have a $3 digital. This did not come off, but theoretically, I'll just show you the deal. Grabbing 2 of these for $7, subtracting the digital coupon, you would pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, making this free. The digital coupon did not come off for me, so customer service credited me the $3 for that transaction. And don't be shy, guys. Gas is $5 a gallon, so I'm not going to let this one slide, even though it's $3. Yes, I'm going to be the hammer with this one. A super nice hammer, but I'm not going to let this one slide and say, it's nothing. I mean, if it's maybe 25 cents, I wouldn't care, but $3, yes, we need to retrieve that digital coupon that did not come off. This is the basket that I did. I got 4 of the Downy fabric softeners, and they're 4 for $9, and then 2 Crest toothpaste at $3 a pop. So that's a $15 basket. So just to show you at the store, boom, there it is, 4 for $9. What a fantastic deal. And then 2 of these Crest toothpaste at $3 a pop. It says earn a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So I used this $3 back when you spend 15 booster, $5 manufacturer register reward, a $4 manufacturer register reward, and a $6 manufacturer register reward. It's not pictured because of my awesome photography skills. Grabbing 4 of the Downies for $9 and 2 of the Crests for $6. The subtotal is $15. I got the cashier to scan my 3 back when you spend $15 booster. Plus I had $15 in manufacturer register rewards, and yes, every single one scanned for me. I had to pay tax for this one. Customer service credited me the $3 of Walgreens cash for spending $15. The gentleman helped me with that, and then I did get $9 in register rewards. 5 for spending $15, and then the 4 for buying the 2 Crests. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash if you're using a booster with a deal such as the one I just showed you. Now this has a very quick expiry date of Thursday, so you definitely have to spend them. Go through all of yours because that's crazy if you're going to lose $5. What I did, I noticed these cashews were 2 for $5, so I used one of those. It scanned perfectly at the store, and I paid nothing because this is considered food in Michigan. So I just did that, and then I used a bunch for detergent earlier in the week. I started the week with, I think, just under $50 in register rewards from the last couple weeks, and I think I have $12 now of register rewards from the stuff I've been buying this week. So I did thin this out considerably. I'm not hitting it too hard because of all of the complications, and being on the phone with customer service is a headache for me. Even yesterday at the store, the manager and the cashiers could not just throw the Walgreens cash on my store card. They're like, you could come back later. But I'm like, no, I'll just deal with customer service. But today, guys, 30 minutes to deal with this. So what is your time worth? I would wait later in the week, maybe Friday, to check it out, because it seems like there's so many problems over at Walgreens this week. I don't know what's up. Hey, now we're going to talk about Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. Midwest only. There is no sister store, so definitely Google your location if you might have this grocery store, but it's only in Midwest states, so just to say that. So the first item you're going to grab is this Degree. It's a black and white deodorant, new product. Definitely bring it to one of those red phones and scan it to ensure that it's ringing up at clearance cost, because they have different scents of this, and you want to make sure you're grabbing the right one. But this one was ringing up for 51 cents. And we have this digital coupon, which is $1 off. Now that dollar will get reduced down to 51 cents, so only one will be free. Just to note that. And as you can see, I grabbed one of those dry sprays priced at $5.19. I think that's an older price. That's why this is on clearance now. But I would scan a bunch and see, is something on clearance? Because definitely this is, I think, $6.19 for one now. So to get it, even to pay for 51 cents, it's an unheard of price point for deodorant. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because this is Degree and that's part of their catalog. Okay, the next 2 deals I have for you are working in concert with IBOTTA. Double, triple check that rebate app if you might have the exact same rebates as I. The first one is for these pedigree, it's like a pouch of dog food. So they are 90 cents a pop. Make sure that you have this coupon, or M-Perk, that's what we call them over there. It's $1.50 off of 3. So we're going to grab 3 bags of these dog foods, or these pouches. That's $2.70. Subtracting that $1.50 M-Perk, you're paying $1.20. IBOTTA has $1.50 back, so it makes this free plus a 30-cent moneymaker. And the final deal that we have is with the Kotex pads or liners or whatever. So these ones are $2.99. We have a very unique coupon. I love when this one shows up. It's a 4 off of 2, so please make sure that you have this specific M-Perk loaded. Along with IBOTTA has $1 back for each pad, so you're going to get $2 back. So grabbing 2 of those pads, it's $5.98. They're $2.99 a pop. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 M-Perk, you're paying $1.98. Getting back $1 back from each from IBOTTA, so that's $2 back. Plus Fetch Rewards gave me back $1.50. It makes this free plus a $1.52 moneymaker. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.